What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And tonight, wherever you guys may be located at, we're going to touch upon Dogecoin and this pump that we have been seeing across the daily chart and where meme tokens may be headed into a possible altcoin season. So this rally is definitely something we want to talk about. We've talked about it this morning. I want to follow up on it because it has started to level off, and there is importance to talk about it further and how this may impact other meme tokens and possibly affect Bitcoin. So before we get down into all the details and everything else that I want to talk about, please subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is click the button. We all do it. Like this video. Drop your comments down below. Love to have you part of the discussion. So, and with enough said, let's get down to it. So, as I said, Dogecoin has been on a rally today. Absolutely pumping since the early hours, kind of out of left field. You can see by this chart, this is an absolute green candlestick. This thing could light up the whole room, and obviously all the meme tokens have followed suit. We've saw Shiba Inu, we saw other of the more lower market cap meme tokens and altcoins and what have you. They have followed suit. This has been the catalyst that has driven this Saturday out of control. Okay, so almost up 100% on the week. Dogecoin is definitely the topic of discussion as we enter this evening, and I just want to touch upon a possible pullback and how I'm going to be approaching Dogecoin, because I've already exited my position when this initial wave of influx has came about. You know, it's something where you have to compare it to the broader market and understand why this is happening. Okay, so this is all happening based on the precipice of the Elon Musk news with the possible merge with Twitter. Okay, so yes, if Dogecoin and Elon Musk come together and form an alliance and basically this monumental new currency of Twitter, and then becomes publicly traded, and then you see this all reciprocity when it comes to actual money, Dogecoins, and Twitter is just sitting right in the middle. There is some monumental upside that could be had. But however, in the short term, it's important to note that this is going to be something that needs to be followed and understood where the influence is coming from. Okay, so a lot of you might have Dogecoin in a long position. You might be holders of Dogecoin, and that's okay. I think a great portion of everybody's wallets and positions and stakes they take with tokens. It all depends on their risk tolerance. However, especially with these meme tokens, it's good to possibly have exit and enter strategies and be very, very strategic when it comes to how long you're going to hold these. Okay, so if you want to just have millions and millions of tokens and say, oh my God, here's my Doge, that's cool too. You know, that's a different investment strategy. So this is not financial advice. So please do your own research. I'm not trying to sway you guys one way or the other. I'm kind of letting you know my analysis and how I'm going to be handle my position with Dogecoin today and in the future. So this is very important to point out that the bullish impetuses, such as, I talked about the Elon Musk news, TikTok, the ETFs, and what have you, this is the stuff that could possibly drive Doge higher. Okay, so this upside potential that we are seeing is very, very important to note that it also will leave Dogecoin very, very vulnerable. Okay, so when Bitcoin is the class act of crypto, maxis aside, it is the class act of crypto, and all tides will rise and fall together. So when Dogecoin and other meme coins are outperforming Bitcoin, this is where you can see some institutional sway, as I like to call it. So this money is sitting on the sidelines, and a lot of guys that are smarter than me, smarter than you, they're going to come in, they're going to pump their money, they're going to get in, they're going to get out, they're going to do it over, rinse and repeat, and they're going to take their money, and they're going to be sitting back on the sidelines, leaving us to hold the bag. So this is why having your own personalized financial strategy to meet your needs and desires when you're investing in Dogecoins, other meme tokens, is highly, highly important. Okay, so this being said, I just want to be careful by letting you guys know that Dogecoin and this pump that we touched upon earlier, and that all of you guys have been celebrating, as well as myself, that this is a very, very slippery slope when it comes to possibly seeing this retreat that could happen to to kind of pull back and meet the other landscape of the global cryptocurrency market. Okay, so we could be looking at an exit pump to come. This could be happening very, very soon. It could happen overnight when we're sleeping. So just keep an eye on the chart. Dogecoin, on the 7-day is up very, very nicely. This pump is outstanding. I'd like to see this momentum continue, as would all of us. We need this personally. We need this as a morale factor when it comes to cryptocurrency. But just be very, very careful, knowing that this exit pump is very, very likely, especially because, in my opinion, institutional money is coming into the game, and that is what is moving this market cap higher. As you can see, Dogecoin in the 8-hole and in the top 10 of all cryptos per coin market cap. So take this knowledge, take it with you when you're doing your investing, in your trading, and do your own research, please. And we will see you on the next one, and follow-up videos on Dogecoin to come.